What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are going to do a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Moto G22. Now before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with HD Plus resolution. It's in 20:9 aspect ratio with 500 nits of brightness. It also has 90Hz refresh rate. And this phone comes with punch hole design. As for performance, it comes with Helio G37 processor with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. It comes with 4GB LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB storage. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery, and it comes with 20 watts turbo power charger. Also it has Type-C port. As for audio, it has single speaker at the bottom. It also has 3.5mm audio jack at the top. Here are our Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 96%. There is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 29 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. It is 32 degrees on all sides. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now let's look at the graphics. Balanced graphics and medium frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. It has good visuals and colors look nice. Details are also nice. Controls are good and I couldn't notice any lag. It's been 16.5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 36 to 37 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is 37 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 degrees. It's been a total of 17 minutes and battery came down to 93%. Phone feels slightly warm. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 3% of battery, which is great. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. Now it's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 to 39 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 degrees, on the back it is 37 to 39 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 to 36 degrees. Phone feels slightly hot, but it is not that hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 282 photos in those 3 minutes, and that is good. And there is no throttling going on. That's it for gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Moto G22. It has nice performance, good visuals, and looks great with punch hole design. Overall, it is good for gaming. So what do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.